Hello all, welcome to CodeHub. Today let us solve the LeetCodes daily challenge, and the problem is remove all adjacent duplicates in string. You are given a string yes consisting of lowercase English letters. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters and removing them. We repeatedly make duplicate removals on yes until we no longer can. So return the final string after all such duplicate removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. So the given string is A, B, B, A, C, A, and you can see that you can put A and B is not the duplicate. When you put a B, B is not the duplicate of previous. When you put the next B, it is a duplicate. So we just want to pop both the strings. Next, when you put A, again it is a duplicate. We just pop the string, and when you the next you will put the character C, and then you will put the character A, and as you can see that this is the string that we need. And let us see the example 2. In example 2, A is that xxzy, and the character you can put A, then a z, then a x, and when you put the next x it is a duplicate, so we just remove both the thing. And when you just have a z, we just remove both the things, and you can have y. This is the string that we need. So how can we solve this problem? So basically, what can be used to solve this problem? We can use a stack to solve this problem. So when we have a stack is empty, we can put the character, and when we have another character, we just want to see the top of the character. If it is same, we just pop it out. If it's not same, we can just push the character into the stack, and we can push the character. When we have an x again, we just see the top of the stack is same, so we just pop it out. And when we put z, we see the top of the stack is z, so we just pop it out. When we see the y, we can just put into the stack, and we can just pop all the characters finally, and we will get the ya, and we can just reverse the string, and we can just return it. But this is an order of n time and order of n space solution. Can we optimize this a bit more? Yeah, we can just use two pointers, namely cur pointer and an end pointer. This end pointer is going to keep track of the characters that we need in our result, and the cur pointer is going to traverse into our string. So what I'm going to say is, if my end is greater than 0, and if my s of end minus 1 is equal to my s of cur, then I will remove that character which is present in the end. So I will just decrement my end. Else what I will do is I will put my s of the current character to my end character. I will put the character which is at current index to my end index. So, and finally what I will be doing is, at the end of the day, I will just return s dot substr of 0 comma end. So this will split the string as like that. So by this way we can actually do it in better time complexity and space complexity. Not better in time, actually the time is order of n, and space here will be order of 1, since we are not using any extra space like stack. So we can just try that approach, because stack is very simple. So we can just take the size now. So I'm actually need another pointer end equal to 0, and at the end of the day I'm going to return s dot substr of 0 comma end. This will split the string with the needed string. So what I have to do is, I have to run a for loop from int cur equal to 0, from cur is less than n and cur plus plus. And what is my case is, if my int is greater than 0, I have at least one character to my resultant string. And if my s of end minus 1 is equal to my s of cur, then obviously I don't want that character which is at end position, so I will decrement my end. Else I will put my character which is at current index in current index and to my int index. So yes of cur, and I will just do an n plus plus. So this should work. So let us try with several test cases using example test cases, and yeah, let us give an empty string. Then we can just give an EA and just A. So now let us try to run our code. Okay, the empty string case is invalid, so let us try to remove and run our code now. Okay, it gets accepted. Now let us submit our code. Great. Hope you like the solution and let me know in the comments. The time complexity here is order of n and the space complexity is order of 1. We just replaced the original string given itself. So thanks for watching. So let us see in tomorrow's LeetCode Daily Challenge. Until then, bye.